Team Balas. With a partnership of SBB Libra, headed by Commissioner Sir Lincoln, and now Head Commissioner, Assistant Commissioner Sir Richard Aguilin, and our umpire Sir Agong. First five of Barangay Balas, hands down, jersey number 16, Di Parini, jersey number 6, Laure, jersey number 14, Laure, and jersey number 27, Anastasio, and jersey number 2, Librando. And now the first five of Team Imelda, jersey number 29, Kuke, jersey number 16, Payumay, jersey number 17, Carrino, jersey number 23, 14 to Bingo. Jump ball between Laure and SK Domingo. Oh no, that's a technical. Oh, not wearing jersey. Beautiful one by Coach Laure.
Sundang Bulaga.
Oh, Bula sa Balas. Coach Laure, oh, that's out of bounds. Iman, wakil tudukin pasalaway by Carrino on the middle, no good. Rebound by Laure, and the center by Carrino, shot up 14. Oh no, that's a 3 seconds violation. Pula sa Balas.
Sundang. Uli huwag mo kanig mo score pa ko. Uli huwag mo score pa ko.
Jersey number 16, Di Parini. SK Di Parini all the way. Intercepted by Iman. Back to Carrino. 1 to step. Good for 2. By Carrino. Laure. Still by Carrino. Almost Robel. Domingo. SK Domingo. Purbuke intercepted by Librando. Librando always good for 2, brought to by ESA Philippines. Gigi Halos Boss. Score 2 against 3. Iman. Duque. Back to Iman. Shot clock 14. And then. Oh no, that's a backcourt violation. Bola sa Balas. Ready for an inbound. Back again to Laure. Still by Domingo. Look again. Nanta na lang bola. Outlet pass to Payumay. So no, that's a foul called in by referee Richard Antolin. Who's fouled there? Foul by jersey number 27. That's a cylinder. First personal foul on Anastasio. First team foul. Barangay Balas. SK Domingo sa ilalim. No good. Rebound by Librando. Remaining time 6 minutes for the first quarter. Still again by Iman. Oh no, there's a foul. Foul by jersey number 6, Laure. That's our first personal foul, Laure. Second team foul, Barangay Palas. Shot clock 14 and 10. 5 to shoot. Shot na kasi rebound again by jersey number 27. Back again to Librando. Librando to Laure, pass again. He's still by Emad. Emad again behind the back. Oh no, that's an offensive foul. Offensive foul by jersey number 13, Emad. Substitution. Howard in, Emad out of Barangay Imelda. Real time 4 minutes and 39 for the first quarter. Ponzial Laure has the ball. Looking back for his companion Laure. To Di Parine. Di Parina to Laure. On the jumper, good for 2 by Laure. Duque has the ball. Back to Howard. Penetrate. That's a foul. Blocking foul by jersey number 6. Laure. Second team foul. Second personal foul, Laure. Shot clock 10. By Yubay. What a move by Yubay. Laure sa ilalim, what a pass. Oh no, that's an out of bounds. Bola sa Imelda. Remaining time 3 minutes and 40. Duque. Pass to Domingo. To Duque again. Back to Bayubay. To Carrino, what a pull movement. Barangay Imelda, no good. Shot ang zero para by Librando. Librando to Laure. Laure between the legs. Pass to Laure. Back to back. Laure to Laure. Score 4 against 7 in favor of Barangay Sandstorm. 3 minutes. And okay. Still again by Librando. To Warales to Di Parene. Domingo. Oh no, that's an out of bounds. 2 minutes and 40. Substitution. Garrido out. Discalyar in.
9-4.
Laure has the ball, jersey number 6. Laure, kick out pass to Di Parene. On the jumper, no good. He's still again by jersey number 2, Librando. 10 to shoot. Oh no, that's a holding foul by jersey number 27, Anastasio. Second personal foul, Anastasio. Warning for penalty. Barangay Palas. Back to the ball game. Howard. Penetrate, kick up pass to Domingo. Pumeke. What a pass to Bayubay. Discalyar. Howard to Domingo. Back again sa ilalim Bayubay. Sumalaksak. Good for 2. Bayubay. Outlet pass to Laure. Oh no, that's no foul counted. Foul by jersey number 29, Duque. 1 minute and 53. Substitution. Duque out. Makilan in. 1 minute and 52.
9-6.
Laure. Good for 2 by Laure. Mr. Piso Piso, Laure. Makilan. Dodong, back again to Howard. Shot clock 15. Makilan want to step pass to Domingo. Sa ilalim. What a pass to Makilan to Domingo. Connection. Score 8 against 11 in favor of Barangay Sunstorm. Laure Anastasio. Oh no, that's a foul. Foul by jersey number 14. Substitution by Yubay out. Sula in. One minute and 7 seconds. Now good barangay by Domingo, SK Domingo, bagay to Makilan. Makilan ang tadala ng bola si Makilan. Penetrate. Easy penetrate to Howard. Sula sa ilalim. Easy basket by Sula. Out the pass to Laure. Laure to Meke. Back to Librando. Oh no, that's a traveling violation committed by Librando. Seconds to play, 42 seconds. Seconds. 35. 30 seconds. Same ball. Shot clock. 14.
Baliw ang
32 seconds. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Oh no, that's a foul. Illegal use of hand by jersey number 2, Librando. Take 2, Makilan. Remaining time 25 seconds for the first quarter. Makilan. Oh no good. And a social rebound. Last 20 seconds. No more shot clock. Laure. 15 seconds.
baliw ang score pa
10 seconds. 8. Oh no, that's a holding foul committed by jersey number 14. That's a foul by jersey number 14, Domingo. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. Foul by jersey number 19, Howard. Warning for penalty.
Okay lang
3 seconds. Three. That's the end for the first quarter score. 10 against 12 in favor of Barangay Balas. Brought to you by ESA Philippines, ESA Hambali, Mayor Gigi Halusmos. Time in for the second quarter. Score 10 against 12.
Dito lang.
Howard, rebound. Back again to Makilan. Makilan has the ball. Shot clock 15. Ogates. Still again by Laure. To the Parini, no good. Rebound by Suta. Suta pass to ilalim. To Laure. What a pass by Laure. Makilan. What a pick and roll. Out of bounds. Bola sa balas. Umandam has the ball. What a pass. Umandam to Laure. Ay, kinapos lang. Maganda na sana ang pasa ni Umandam. Laure again. Laure. Easy basket by Laure. Howard. Oh, backing a ball by Howard. Still again by jersey number 4. Di pa rin eh. To Suta. No good. Rebound again by Laure. Time out. Barangay Imelda. This time out is brought to you by ESA Philippines, ESA Habali, Mayor Gigi Halasus, SB member Shane Sir Kokoy Galon, and Vice Mayor Alvin Rolina with a partnership of SBP Dibra. Back-to-the-ball game, score 10 against 18 in favor of Sunstorm Barangay Balas. Ang magandang nilaro ngayon ng Barangay Balas. Duque to Domingo. SK Domingo all the way on the ball. Domingo. Veteran Moon Mike kasama bang foul. Foul basket. Committed by jersey number. Foul basket, jersey number 0. That's a legal use of hand by jersey number 0. Umandam. Now, no good. Rebounded by Laure. Back to the ball game. Umandam. Penetrate. Oh no. Same ball. 6 minutes. Umandam again to Di Parini. Who's ball red? That's ball by Barangay Imelda. Score 12-18. Labaw gyapon ng Barangay Balas. Domingo. Hesitate. Still again by jersey number 12. Pass to Di Parini. What a pass Di Parini to Suta. Wow, sabi ni Mayor Gigi Halasos. Magandang pasa talaga ni Di Parini. Still again by jersey number 12. Suta. Suta again. Easy basket by Suta. All the way by Barangay Balas. Eman. Penetrate. Step back. Pass to Carrido. On the floater. Oh no, that's a foul. Wearing jersey number 12, that's a blocking foul. Take 2. Carrido of Barangay Imelda. Remaining time 5 minutes and 3 for the second quarter. Rino on the free throw, no, kinapos. Back again, rebound by jersey number 12 to Umandam. Back again to Umandam. Umandam pass to Suta again sa ilalim. What a easy basket by Suta. Back to back two by Suta. Pass to Suta again sa ilalim. Okay, behind the back. Still again by Umandam to Di Parine is Lays. Score 12 against 26. Labaw niya Parbalas. Shot clock 15.
Second quarter. Oh,
Holding foul by jersey number 4. Di Parine. First personal foul Di Parine. 13 foul Barangay Balas. Shot clock 14. Foul by jersey number 14, Domingo. Substitution, Howard in. Aim it out. KJ Domingo does a third personal foul for the second quarter of Barangay Imelda. Back to the ball game, Umandam. Suta sa tres, good for three. Suta. Barangay Balas. Nagliliyab na ang kamay ni Suta. SK Domingo. Speed bump. Nagka-ubat pang foul. What a tornado. Spin by SK Domingo. Foul basket. Jersey number 14. That's a foul. Bonus row. Domingo. Warning for penalty, Barangay Balas. Good for one. Domingo. Remaining time 3 minutes and 40. Bulas sa Imelda. Remaining time 3 minutes and 29. Duque has the ball. Shot clock 15. Oh no, that's a foul. Holding foul by jersey number 11. Substitution Anastasio in. Laure. Penalty. Perfect two by Duque. Scores 17-29. In leading back by Barangay Balas. Umandam. Nagtatawag ng play. Pasagay to Di Parine. On the jumper, no good. Who's ball rep? That's a jump ball. Bula sa Barangay Imelda. Meantime, 3 minutes and 2. Duque, fast to Domingo. Back into Duque. Penetrate. What a steal by Anastasio. Anastasio to Umandam. Pass to Suta again. Ay, kauban pa foul. Good for two by Suta. Foul basket. Foul by jersey number 16 by Yubay. Raven time 2 minutes and 44. Suta. 2 minutes and 30. Duque, one out spin more values is a play by Duque to Howard. Oh no, that's a foul by jersey number 11, Suta. Larong klaro. Penalty.
Ay, nanay, labay.
Red time 2 minutes and 30. Score 17-31 in favor of Barangay Balas. Leading by Suta of Barangay Balas. Back to the ball game, umandam. Hesitate, pass to Anastasio. Still again to Carrido, outlet pass to Howard. Good for two, Howard. 2 minutes and 10. Suta. Penetrate, kick out pass to Umandam. Pass to Suta again. Crossover move by Suta. All still again by Domingo. Pass to Howard. Good for two. Timeout Barangay Balas. This time was brought to you by Esa Hambali. 114 kasama ay Partners Mayor Gigi Halsos, Kunsihal Kokoy Galon. Remaining time 1 minute and 52. Score 22-31. Labaw mo ng Balas. Time in for the second quarter. Remaining time 1 minute and 52. Score 22-31. Labaw gyapon ng Sandstorm. Leading by Suta. Di Farini. Pass to the center. Pass to di pa rin pumeke. Sa ilalim Anastasio bumaga to Suta again. Back to back by Suta. Lista mo na yan, Rep. Howard, 1 minute and 25. Shot clock 15. Duque. No good. Rebound by Carrido. 14. Shot clock. Shot clock by Realista. Umandam back again to Realista. To Suta. Pass to Di Parrene. Pumeke. Good for two. Di Parrene. Domingo to Carrido. Easy basket by Carrido. 12:45 seconds. 40 seconds. Realista. No good. Rebound by Suta. Ana si Kunsihal Lorencio makahubo og pante ni si Suta. Perti kay mo shoot. 18 seconds. Di Parrene. Pass to Suta. Last 10 seconds. Pupok pante. 5 seconds. 2. That's it for the second quarter. Score 24-39. Sa mga half-court specialist niya. Pulo katawo half-court. Gikan kini kay Kunsihal Esa Hambali. Kapitan Imag, wala. Last na ang 5. Ihatag na po na. Ihatag na po na sa tungkwan. Last na ang 4. Hey! 500. Daghan kay salamat, Konsehal. Umaabot na Konsehal Esa Hambali, number 11 sa balota. Time in for the third quarter, score 24-39, leading back by Barangay Sandstorm Balas. Leading by Suta. Pasaporte, back to the ball game to Ogates. Still again by Umanam. Pass to Laure. Lumipad pa sa ere si Laure. SK Domingo. Pass to Pasaporte, penetrate. Shot clock 10. 5 to shoot. Pasaporte good for 2. Laure. Librando sa ilalim, good for 2. Easy basket, 1-2 step by Domingo. Livarini still again by Domingo. Oh no, there's a foul. Foul by jersey number. Foul by jersey number 16. Umandam. Di Parini, SK Di Parini, there's a foul. Pasaporte to Carrido. Easy basket by Carrido. SK Di Parini on the ball. Pass to Laure. Shot clock 10. Oh no, that's a blocking foul by jersey number 14, Domingo. Warning for graduation substitution by Yubaid. SK Domingo out of Barangay Imelda. Shot clock 14. Kick up pass to Laure sa 3. Shot clock sit. Librando. Still by Sula Sula. 5 minutes and 50. Carino. Na-slide lang Laure. Easy lace by Laure. Munti ka na sana ma-ankle breaker. Pasaporte back again to Sula Sula. Shot clock 14. 10 to shoot. Oh no, same ball, shot clock. 6. Substitution. Sula-sula out. Hawod in, Barangay Imelda. Shot clock 6. 5 to shoot. Good lang. Laure to Laure connection. Good for 2. Score 32-45. Hawod. Uy, magandang moves ni Hawod. Kikatas to pasaporte sa 3. Kinapos. Substitution, Domingo in. Ugates out, Duking in. Pasaporte out. Barangay Imelda. Back to the ball game. SKD Parine all the way by Laure. 4 minutes and 20. Shot clock 14. Still again by SK. Easy basket by Domingo. Realista. Laure. Stop shot, no good. Rebound again by Realista. Rebound by Yubay. To Hawod. Good for 2, Domingo. Oh no, that's a traveling violation. Timeout, Barangay Balas. This time was brought to you by ASAP Philippines, ASAP Bali.
Oh, may tulog ka rin po. Ano gano'n? Jom! Jom! Ilaw mo kasi ikaw daw. Ako dala siya.
Back to the ball game for the third quarter. Remaining time 3 minutes and 39. Score 36-47. Leading back by Barangay Balas. Shot clock 16. For 2. Okay. What a defense by Domingo. Oh no, that's a foul, blocking foul by jersey number 16. Three minutes. That's a foul by jersey number 2. That is a legal use of hand by jersey number 2. Number 1 by Domingo. That's a half-court press of Barangay Imelda. What a half-court drop by Barangay Imelda. Duque. Score 42-47. Humahabol na ang Barangay Imelda. Umantabagento Laure. Good for two by Laure. Oh no, there's a foul.
Later bala.
Foul by jersey number 29, Duque. Take two by Laure. Substitution. Idis Calyar in. Domingo out. Good for one by Laure. Carrito. 2 minutes. Out of bounds. Scored 51-42 pa na go. Okay. Shot clock 15. Shot na kasit. Easy basket by Suta. Time out. Barangay Imelda.
Ay, lagay magpalalong. Ayaw kay kumasahan mo palang dito. Ayaw lang taray mga
Humahabol na ang Barangay Imelda. Score 44-53. Back to the ball game for the third quarter. Remaining time 1 minute and 39 for the third quarter. Back to the ball game. Iman, pass to Duque. Shot clock 14. Good for to Carrino. What a successful trap by Barangay Imelda. Humahabol na. Domingo. Pass to Duque. All the way by Iman. Iman again to Duque. Shot clock 14. Pass to Carrino. Pumike. $25, 55 seconds. 50, 45, 10 shot clock, 5 to shoot, shot clock 4, that's the same ball, bola sa Barangay Imelda. Remaining time 38 seconds. 35. 30 seconds. Shot clock 15. 25 seconds. 8 to shoot. Do. 15 seconds. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. That's the end for the third quarter. Score 50. Humahabol na ang Barangay Imelda. Namanam na ang Barangay Usukan versus Barangay Antonino for the last game of our ESA Basketball Inter-Barangay. Held by Usukan covered court. Shot clock 10. Oh no, that's a traveling violation. Calling by referee, Assistant Commissioner Richard Antolin, Regional Referee. Traveling violation by Librado. Substitution, Duque in, Howard out, Domingo out, Makilan in. Barangay Imelda. What a half court press. Good for Duque. What a hard press by Imelda. Shot clock 10. Ibarina 2. Shot clock 15. 10 to shoot. Back to back 3. Duque. Go for 2 de Marine. Easy basket by Duque. Magandang laban na naman. Score 58-57. Shot clock 10. Laure 2. Oh no, that's a traveling violation by Makilang. Substitution Domingo. Hawon in. Imad Makilang out of Barangay Iminda. Substitution Ogates. Di pa umandamin. By you by out. Remaining time 5 minutes and 48 for the fourth and last quarter. Trump. Still again by Howard. Easy basket by Domingo. Anastasia 2. Five minutes and 10. Oh no, that's a blocking foul by jersey number 27, Anastasio. No, Anastasio. First personal foul, Anastasio. First team foul, Barangay Palas. Shot clock 14. Oh no, that's a traveling violation. Change foot to the foot. Time out, Barangay Balas. Magandang nilaro ngayon ang Barangay Iminda. Prepare for the next game. Play between Barangay Usukan against Barangay Antonino. Back-to-the game for the fourth and last quarter score 63-61. Labaw na ang Barangay Iminda. Headed by Coach Alba Lucos and SK Domingo. And head coach, our legendary Mr. Tindo Duque. For two. Still again by Duque. On the lace. Easy basket by Duque. Oh, claro. Foul by jersey number 14. Kitang-kita talaga ni Sir Richard Antolin, our regional referee. Matalas ang mga paningin ni Sir Richard Antolin. That's a foul out by SK Domingo. Suta, medyo nilalamig na si Suta. Bakit ito librado? Pumika sa tres, pakingin, shot clock 10. Laure! Oh no, there's a foul. Calling by head of commissioner Sir Lindon, and now foul by jersey number 11. First personal foul, Carrino. Second team foul, Imelda. Back on the game, Librando for a 25-foot jumper. Good for Twiu. Real time 4 minutes and 15. Score 67-63. Shot clock 14. 10 to shoot. What a pass for Howard to Bayubay. 3 minutes and 50. There's a foul, Hakim foul by jersey number 19, Howard. Real time 3 minutes and 49 for the fourth and last quarter. Second personal foul, Howard. Third team foul, Imelda. Shot clock 15. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Shot clock is in. Foul by jersey number 11. Total use of hand by jersey number 11. Remaining time 3 minutes and 27 for the fourth and last quarter of SL Basketball League Inter Barangay. Librando. 3 minutes and 15. That's a foul by jersey number 11, Suta. Warning for graduation by Suta. Substitution, Laure in. Di pa rin out. Medyo nanlilalamig na si Idol Suta. Pass ball, pass ball, pass ball. Pass ball to, pass ball. Wala pa yung penalty. Red time, 2 minutes and 54. Carrido shot lang by Laure. 10 to shoot. Oh no, that's a traveling violation. One step too many. Shot ang sit. Still again by Lebrano. Yan na. Foul, pushing foul by jersey number 16. Substitution. Howard in, Imad out. Rem time 2 minutes and 35 for the fourth and last quarter. Warning for penalty. Barangay Imelda. Please prepare last game. Antonino and Usukan. Shot clock 14. Laure 2. Shot clock 15. 10 to shoot. Out of bounds, bola sa Barangay Balas. Score 70-67. Leading by Barangay Imelda. Last 2 minutes for the last and fourth quarter of ESA Basketball League. Enter Barangay. Oh no, that's a traveling violation. Pivot put. 1 minute and 57. Shot block by Laure. Shot block 10. Oh no, that's a traveling violation. Calling back by referee Sir Agom. One minute and 30. Over to Micah Ubapang foul. Foul basket. Foul by jersey number 16. That's by Yubay. Nabalik na ang suta. 1 minute and 28. Howard to Howard. Carrido. Oh no, that's a blocking foul by jersey number 19, Howard. Remaining time 1 minute and 15. Penalty. Score 69-72. Na-shoot kanina ni Suta. 69-72 na long. 1 minute and 15. Oh no, that's a foul. Foul by jersey number 13, Howard. That's a pushing foul. Penalty red. Ang mo uli, walay bonus. Oh no, there's a touching ball, same ball. Barangay Blast. This time out is brought to you by ESA Bali. Time out. Barangay Imelda. Basketball game for the fourth and last quarter. Remaining time 1 minute and 11 seconds. Score 72-70 in favor of Barangay Imelda. Gusto lang by Duque. Oh no, that's a foul. Foul by jersey number 2, Librano. That's a blocking foul. Take 2. Vai passaporte. One minute. 50 seconds. Carino! Time out, Barangay Balas, Tambayan Bowlers. One night time out ang Barangay Balas. Naapay time out ang Barangay Imelda.
Bro, wake up your wild side with new Old Spice Night Panther.
Inbound, 24-14 shot clock. Ang muuli, Y bonus. Basketball game, remaining time, 45 seconds. Last 45 seconds. Shot clock 14. 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Last 36 seconds. Seconds. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Shoot! Time out, Barangay Imelda. Score 72-74. Remaining time 19 seconds. 19 seconds. Shot clock. Nineteen seconds. Pwede 14, pwede 24. Kamoy decide. 24, pwede 14. Mo decide na ang team. That's a 24. Napay shot clock, napay 8 seconds. 8 seconds violation o mahitabo 14 radiyay. Bright point. Back to the ball game. 74-72. Last 19 seconds.
Hey, man.
Seconds. That's a foul by jersey number 6, Laure. That's a penalty. Please like and share ESA Philippines. Like kini sa Facebook. Last row by Carrido. And for one. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's the end for the fourth and last quarter score, 76-72. Congratulations, Barangay. Even headed by SK Domingo, Consial Palumos, and our legendary Mr. Dindo Duque. Andam na Antonino Usukan.